It's little Scandinavia's 18th birthday. I'm Jill Lamkins, your Elkhorn reporter here on Main Street, where this year the celebration is raising some cheer for this resilient community. Along with free Scandinavian food, live music, and Vikings, Little Scandinavia is hosting a fundraiser to help families impacted by the April tornadoes. Each donation will go towards a gift card that will be given to tornado survivors to help jumpstart their Christmas.
Christmas is just such a special time of year, and just to be able to help families reestablish some of that stuff and replace some of those things is something we're really excited about.
The local business is partnering with St. Pat's Church and Bethany Lutheran to help over 80 families. The fundraiser will last until the end of October. Each impacted family will also receive one of these, a Love for Elkhorn ornament, when they come to redeem their gift card. In Old Town Elkhorn, I'm Jill Lamkins, your Elkhorn reporter.